Welcome to VVT Physics Academy. I am going to start crash course to those students who are going to appear CBSE board examination on 21st February 2025. The course starts from 2nd December 2024. The salient features: short-term intensive program to cover the entire syllabus effectively. Individual attention will be given. Flexible teaching style based on the requirement of the student. Guaranteed improved results. Doubt clearing session. Model test papers for the practice. And for further information, please feel free to contact at the given mobile number and mail at vvtphysicsacademy@gmail.com. Thank you.